So I'm here getting my head prepared. Just put on, this is 3 layers. I'm just allowing it to dry. Not even sure which wig I'm gonna put on yet, but I'm doing a full lace wig. So I'm just letting this dry naturally by itself. Then I'm gonna put on a wig. Don't know if it's a burgundy or if it's a black. Definitely sure I'm not gonna put on any blonde. So this is the next part. Mm. Alright guys, I'm almost finished. So you know, it's a girl like a baby here, slay baby here, and all of that. So I'm just work with what I have because you know, so I can't see if it part me here myself. So any oil come out, at least I save my money. Right, I'm about to cut my baby hair. Just put my hair in some rod. Yeah, because me now, I can't see behind me, and I'm not trust this. This I had a 450 degrees. Me nah try this back up my head. Okay guys, so this is the final part. So tomorrow on will see the rest. Okay, tomorrow put on lash and something here, lace well laid. Alright, no worry about my greasy face. Just got up. Lace, what lace you talking about? What lace? Take out one of the rod and look at this curl. Look at this curl. I might not have all the tools, but I did a good job. I don't have all the tools, but I did a good job. Look at that. And this is a 24-inch burgundy wig. Okay, human hair, 100% human hair, pre-pluck. I don't wear any fake.